First up, we're getting some breaking news with happenings in West Bengal. BJP has alleged that workers who were on their way to Suvendu's rally in Nandigram have been beaten by suspected TMC goons. My colleague Anuj is also joining us with more on this. Anuj, they claim that as many as 15 workers at least have been injured. What more are you picking up?
Well, that's the latest what we are learning from Nandigram today, that the fresh clashes have erupted in West Bengal, and that is in Nandigram. Let me tell you that this was organized rally, scheduled rally of Suvendu Adhikari. Suvendu Adhikari, the leader, the neta, the mantri,
yes,
who recently joined Bharatiya Janata Party in the presence of Home Minister Amit Shah, and now is was organizing a rally, and this was a scheduled rally where this has been alleged by the BJP worker. Now they were attacked by the TMC workers, although we got some visuals from there, that is from the hospital where they have been taken and the treatment is underway. We are waiting for the police information also that what exactly is the action that has been taken. But when we are talking about the state of West Bengal, then this is never new. This is clashes after clashes which can be clearly witnessed, being it the attack on the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, that's JP Nadda, being it attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party worker after the Midnapur rally of Amit Shah. So these are the latest what we have been told today. This is from Nandigram, where this was a scheduled rally of Suvendu Adhikari, BJP neta now, and where this has been alleged by the Bharatiya Janata Party workers that they were attacked by TMC workers. Yes.
Yes, we're also getting more from one of the local leaders who have spoken, Anuj, and just to tell our viewers more of what they're alleging. They're saying that they will lodge a complaint against them, which is the attackers in this case, if the police will not take the step and provide proper security for our security. They're also going on to say that the way women and sisters were beaten up today, we condemn it. Till now, 15 workers injured, more to come. Our only mistake is that we are attending this rally. So, of course, political heat is rising. It was expected, Anuj. We've known how there have been several clashes reported between political parties and their workers. And with Suvendu having dumped the TMC just now and joining the BJP, conducting a rally, these actions are now coming to light. What do you see as far as on ground? What are the arrangements, etc.? Because the allegation always is that the police is not doing enough.
Oh, well, exactly. When we are talking about the clashes in the state of West Bengal, these are the statement always what is coming in, that police is not doing the enough work. Police is not taking care of the law and order situation. And that's the lawlessness which has been spoken by none other but the Home Minister of the country when he was there on his 2 days visit in the state of West Bengal. When he conducted the press conference, he talks about the same, that what exactly the situation on the ground level is. And the visuals are speaking themselves. Visuals are making it very much clear that what exactly the situation is. When we are talking about these kind of clashes, these are never new in the state of West Bengal. This is one after another which could be clearly witnessed. But what exactly is being done by the administration is the bigger question, because the question has been raised that we are going to file the complaint because the police is not taking the appropriate action. And this is never new when we are talking about these kind of clashes. We have seen it earlier also, and this is again coming in, that 15 of the workers of Bharatiya Janata Party has been attacked by Trinamool Congress, and this has been alleged by Bharatiya Janata Party workers there, where when they were en route to Suvendu Adhikari rally, which was already scheduled for the day. But on the other hand, we have to keep in mind, this is the topic when we are talking about West Bengal, when we are talking about the ground reality, which has been taken by netas, which has been taken by the leaders, that what exactly is the law and order situation on the ground level. Because again and again, these kind of attack could be clearly witnessed, and this was none other, as I recently pointed it out, Jagat Prakash Nadda, the national president of Bharatiya Janata Party, whose cavalcade was also attacked. And this was none other but the Home Minister Amit Shah's rally in Midnapur, after which the BJP workers were attacked. So if this can happen to such a high security personality,
yes, and
then this
while
is very much
Home Minister Amit Shah, the Home Ministry has been, of course, pulling up police officials in West Bengal, wanting some of them to come back to central deputation also. Anuj, we saw how that went. In fact, there were promotions in store for those officials who have been accused of not doing enough as far as the security of opposition is concerned. As far as the TMC government led by Mamata Banerjee is concerned, Anuj, it doesn't seem like they're at all feeling responsible for what is going on? Because if the opposition is not safe in West Bengal, that raises a lot of questions.
Oh, well, exactly. That's something what we are understanding as the ground reality, because this is not the first time what we are seeing. If we talk about these kind of clashes, this is again and again which could be clearly witnessed from the ground level. And as you pointed it out very rightly, when the opposition is not safe in the state, and this is not limited to the opposition only, this is limited to the central leadership. This is limited. This has reached to rather the Z security personalities. So that is something what we are understanding, when the people who are having the Z security, who are having multiple kind of securities with them, then too they can be attacked. So this could be clearly understood from the ground, that what exactly the law and order situation on the ground is. On the other hand, yes, this is Mamata Banerjee who is stating again and again, doing
certainly
countering Bharatiya
not
Janata
much
Party.
really by way of any response to spruce up the law and order condition. Everybody seems to be running amok. And it is the political workers, BJP workers, who are attending Suvendu's rally in Nandigram, who have now come under attack. Some visuals of them in the hospital getting treatment also. Anuj, we'll keep coming back to you for more.